If you're in the USA and dreaming of juicy, homegrown tomatoes bursting with flavor from your balcony or backyard garden, especially those heirloom varieties like Brandywine or Cherokee Purple, then you're in the right place. Spring planting season is just around the corner, and today I'm spilling all the secrets on germinating tomatoes from seed and nurturing them into powerhouse plants. But here's the hook. By the end of this video, I'll reveal a game-changing tip that could double your harvest without fancy equipment. Don't click away. You won't want to miss it. First things first, let's talk soil mix. This is crucial because the wrong mix can doom your seeds before they even sprout. I've covered my foolproof germination soil recipe in a previous video, link in the description. But quick recap, blend equal parts peat moss, vermiculite, and compost for that light, airy texture tomatoes crave. Fill your seed trays or small pots about 3/4 full. Pro tip, use recycled yogurt containers or those cheap seed starting trays from your local hardware store. They're perfect for beginners and won't break the bank. Now, on to the seeds. I'm using pink tomato seeds here, but this works for any variety. Soak them in room temperature water for a full 24 hours. It softens the outer coat and kickstarts germination. Drain them, pat dry on a paper towel, and gently place them on the soil surface, spacing them about 1 inch apart. But wait. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of plain water, mist the soil with a homemade liquid fertilizer made from onion peels. Curious how? Boil a handful of onion skins in water for 10 minutes, strain, and let it cool. Link to the full recipe below. This nutrient boost speeds up sprouting and promotes killer root growth. Trust me, your tomatoes will thank you. Cover the seeds with about 1/2 inch of soil, no more, or they'll struggle to break through. Then drench it all again with that onion peel brew until the soil is evenly moist. Seal the deal by creating a mini greenhouse. Cut the bottom off a 5-liter plastic bottle, like those big soda jugs, and pop it over the tray. This traps humidity and warmth, mimicking a pro setup. Keep it in a spot that's 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 20 to 22 Celsius for my metric friends. Germination, you'll see those tiny green shoots in just 3 days. But if your room's cooler, don't panic. Sprouting starts reliably above 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Fast forward 15 days, your seedlings are popping up strong. At this stage, introduce them to sunlight gradually. Start with 2 to 3 hours a day to avoid shocking them. Once they've got a few true leaves and sturdy stems, ramp it up to full sun. Here's a teaser. Skipping this step is why so many gardeners end up with leggy, weak plants. Stick around, I'll show you how to fix that later. Roots tangling? No problem. If you've got a cluster in one tray, gently lift the group and submerge in a bowl of water. This loosens the soil without damaging those delicate roots. Separate them carefully and transplant into individual 3 to 4 inch pots, about 6 to 8 centimeters wide, filled with soft, nutrient-rich soil. For single seed cells like peat pellets, skip this. They're ready to go. When your seedlings hit 6 to 8 inches tall, it's time for the big move, to 5-gallon pots or larger, like those blue recycling bins, or straight into the garden bed. USA folks aim for zones 5 to 9. Check your USDA hardiness map. During transplant, mix in a natural fertilizer powerhouse. Banana peels, eggshells, used tea bags, and coffee grounds. Chop them up, bury around the roots. It feeds the soil microbes and pumps your tomatoes full of potassium for bigger fruits. Link to the exact mix in the description. Key trick, bury the stem up to the fuzzy purple part. Yes, that hairy section. It sprouts extra roots for better nutrient uptake. Pinch off the first set of leaves too. They're just baby ones and won't contribute much. As the plant grows, hill up soil around the stem to encourage even more roots. In the garden, same very deep roll. Add a sturdy stake or tomato cage right away to prevent toppling. Those vines get heavy. Prune suckers ruthlessly. Those sneaky shoots in the leaf axils steal energy. Remove them weekly so your plant focuses on fruit, not foliage. Sunlight, minimum 5 to 6 hours direct. More is better for sweet, disease-resistant tomatoes. Watering wisdom, only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering leads to root rot, biggest killer in humid states like Florida or Texas. Let it dry a bit. Roots dig deeper for moisture. And now the promised game changer. To double your harvest, incorporate mycorrhizal fungi into your soil at planting. These beneficial microbes partner with roots, boosting nutrient absorption by up to 50%. Grab some from Amazon or your garden center. It's organic and a total yield booster. You've made it this far. Imagine your first bite of that sun-ripened tomato. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more USA-focused gardening hacks. Next up, peppers and cucumbers. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Drop a comment. What's your biggest tomato struggle? Thanks for watching till the end. Happy growing.